Hey guys, welcome back to Kosh Tech and Gaming. And in today's video, we are unboxing and reviewing the new Samsung Galaxy M31. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first, take a look on the quick unboxing, as I have already unboxed this phone about 3 months ago and I'm using this phone for about 3 months. So there is nothing special in the box. You get the phone, SIM ejector tool, some papers, and a 15-watt charger with a USB to Type-C cable. And this is the Samsung Galaxy M31. And I have the 6GB RAM 64GB storage black color variant. On the right frame of the phone, you get two up and down volume buttons and a power button. And on the top you get a single microphone for videos. And on the left side of the frame, you get a SIM tray, which is a 3-slot SIM tray. And at the bottom of the phone, you get a 3.5mm headphone jack, a Type-C USB port, and a speaker grid. The back of the phone is made up of polycarbonate plastic, which feels sturdy but attracts a lot of scratches. Then you get a quad camera setup in which you get the 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel macro, and a 5 megapixel depth camera with an LED flash. And the front camera is a 32 megapixel wide camera. Both the cameras, the front and the back, can record 4K 30 fps and 1080p 30 fps. And now let's talk about the display. So this is a Super AMOLED 6.4 inches Full HD display with a Gorilla Glass 3 protection. So this is a normal 60Hz display with 420 nits. The higher the nits, the brighter the display. So this works on Exynos 9611, which is an octa-core 2.1 GHz processor within Mali G72 MP3 GPU. And this is an Infinity U display. So this runs on One UI version 2 with Android version 10. And in this version you get 6GB RAM with 64GB storage and a 6000 mAh battery. So for security, this phone has both the face unlock and the fingerprint, which is a rear mounted fingerprint scanner. Both works very well and very fast, but I found that the fingerprint scanner is little small, and this fingerprint scanner doesn't work if your finger is slightly wet or dirty. So make sure to clean your finger first. And the face lock also works very well and fast. So now let's talk about the camera. So this has a quad camera setup with a 64 megapixel primary camera with an f1.8 aperture and an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera with f2.2 aperture. And the front camera is a 32 megapixel wide camera with f2.0 aperture. This phone also comes with a live focus feature in which you can change the background blur after clicking the photo, but that's not 100% accurate as sometimes it starts blurring your hair. And this also has a screen optimizer in which the phone automatically optimizes screen for the photo you are clicking. And here are some sample shots which I have clicked from this phone. So talking about the Infinity U display, the notch is very small and this phone also has very small bezels. And this is at Full HD means 1080p display with a normal chin size. And this is a Super AMOLED display. And I'm extremely satisfied with the quality of the display, in which the colors contrast and the saturations are well balanced with an amazing color accuracy. So now let's test the performance of this phone on the Exynos 9611 octa-core processor with a Mali G7 II GPU. And for this I am playing COD Mobile on medium with high frame rate settings. And the performance on medium settings was great. The game was very smooth and I did not experience any frame drops while playing the game. And for this price the phone was performing very well. You can also run the game at high settings, but that will drop some FPS, which will decrease the smoothness of the game. And here is a sample sound test from the speaker of this phone. The speaker is loud and the sound quality is okay. So if you are looking for a mid-range phone under 16,000 rupees, then definitely I would recommend this phone as it has a 64 megapixel quad camera setup with a 6000 mAh battery and a super AMOLED full HD display. And if you want to buy this phone, the link is in description. And that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Please hit that like button. And if you want more unboxing and technical videos, then subscribe to our channel and I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.